Hey guys, happy Monday. It's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. Isn't it great on a Monday to be back at work? I love it. This time I'm demonstrating an 8-track, an an AM 8-track out of a 70 Chevelle. It's now an AM FM 8-track with Bluetooth and a heck of a lot more output power because the customer's going with a new harness in place of the original connectors. This comes from David in Spokane, Washington, and David has obviously requested the FM conversion with the Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and make sure everything works before we center back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area, so we can demonstrate some functions during talk radio where I won't get nailed for copyright. So here we go.
Variety.
So there's our
all of the judges' activity.
AM.
Section 100.4.
So we're going to demonstrate our virtual balance and fader controls.
A judge shall conduct all the judges' extrajudicial activities.
Okay.
So they do not
front rear fader.
Cast reasonable doubt on the judge's capacity to act impartially as a judge. Section 100.5A1 provides, quote,
fader adjust.
Judge nor
Okay,
a
all the way
candidate
front,
for public election
all
to
the way
judicial
rear,
office shall
front,
directly or indirectly
rear, okay,
engage in
center
any political activity except one, as other
fader set.
or by law.
So you'll notice that the balance is a little bit off, so let's adjust that.
Party.
Virtual left-right balance control.
100.5A
balance adjust.
pulls it out.
All the way
A New
left,
York judge may
all the way
not
right,
make,
left,
quote, a
right.
contribution to a political
Okay, try to
organization
center 'em.
candidate. Quote. Concluding paragraph. Merchant
Balance set.
Alrighty,
in a row
let's make sure the
doesn't
Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
with a
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and if your radio does not have an AM/FM switch, the way you switch between bands is to turn the unit off and then right back on within about a half a second. So here we go. We're on AM right now. Okay, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
Of Cyrus, the king of Persia.
Quickly laugh.
It's fun.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Neil Sedaka.
Sky above was never so blue. Darkness and into the light. And like we did before. The world, such a low. Say we're through. Sunny when the rain around the shore.
Okay, so now I'm going to eject the tape, and one thing, it's always on this model, I recommend, if you can avoid it, not using the eject button, because it's got a downward slant on the end, and when you push it straight in, it's going to want to go downward, and it could break. So if you can pull the tape out without using the eject button, that's great, but I'll go ahead and do it just so you can see that it works. Press the eject button pretty hard, tape comes out, radio comes back. Okay, now let's check the dial lights, make sure that they work. Okay, and then this one goes out when you put a tape in, so it's not heating up your tape cartridge. So everything's ready to go. She's good. Ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to my next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. Please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because the work order has all my options, prices, turnaround times. It's all in there on the work order. It's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone, which keeps me on the bench where the work actually gets done. So please do that research before calling me. After you've done that, you're welcome to call me, even if it's just to get to know me a little bit, get to trust me, stuff like that. That's perfectly okay. But please don't hit me with what all do you do and how much does it cost. I'm just not equipped to handle that on a phone call. So thanks so much for watching and listening. And thank you, Dave, for your business from Washington. And we'll see you all next time.